Right. Hey guys, I'm Joe Schiavone Jr. The proper way to say it is Giuseppe Schiavone Jr. No.
And I'm Rick Mondacci Jr.
Hey, look at that, 2 juniors. Hey, forget about it.
Yeah.
So we met on set at the Streets 2 filming, right? We were doing a scene together.
Sorry, bro.
And and it was really interesting how we met.
Not in that way.
You can take it away if you like.
Well, I was playing a police officer and Joe was playing a citizen. And the scene was a group of men coming on motorcycles, bikers. They come up, they start shooting up the place, and I grabbed Joe and another guy and reacted, and we dove to the ground like I was saving them.
Right. That was really cool. Actually, I did that. You may have seen that footage on one of my vlogs that I did.
So when that was done and everything like that, I'm a director and a writer, and I've been in a couple of movies. And I asked Joe, I said, listen, you got the look. I'm looking for a soldier for a mafia movie called Mafia War Chronicles. Would you be interested?
And I said, of course, yeah, that'd be really cool. I obviously I'm not going to turn anything down such as that. He said that I had the look and I guess the presence of a mafia guy.
A mafia guy. So it started out where he was going to be a soldier. I was just going to give him a couple of lines.
Yeah, there'll be a consigliere, and then you upgraded me essentially.
I wound up upgrading him to consular, and then he got upgraded to an underboss. And I was going to give him lines that he was going to come in. The other underboss the way I was going to write it was the guy was going to go to jail. And by a stroke of luck, my executive producer calls me a month later and says, listen, the person that's playing the boss, I fired. So then I gave Joe a call. I said, listen, I got confidence in you. Why don't you try the part of a mafia boss? Would you like it?
And I said yes. I said, hey, hey. I said, no problem. I'll take care of it for you.
So now Joe is my new mafia boss.
Right.
He goes by the name of Paulie Cavallo. It's Mafia War Chronicles, a lot of twists and turns.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. You may have already seen the trailer. That'll be probably already have been live before this goes live, this video. So we're trying to push it. So the more that you can push it, we're going to be setting up a GoFundMe page to try to help fund the making of this series. We plan on having, what, 3 years? 3 seasons?
3 seasons we want to do. 36 episodes.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of episodes.
Yes. So I'm going to be writing it. I'm in the process of writing it now. It takes a little time, but once everything's in place, another month, we're going to start shooting it.
And I'm officially the editor, right?
You're officially the editor, and also not only do I write and I'm an actor in it, I also direct. So to save time, I'm going to teach Joe how to be an assistant director. So the way it's going to work is when I'm in a scene, Joe will direct it. When Joe's in a scene, I'll direct it, and we're both in the scene. We'll have a toss-up. It'll probably be another assistant director.
Assistant. Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah, Joe, I'm looking forward to it. Really.
So he's an AAD.
Yeah, an AAD, right?
Assistant director. Is that even a thing? Can you put a chair like that? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it too. Yeah. I interrupted you. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm so glad, and we just did it off the right way. I can't wait to start it. I'm really.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I keep. Hey, shut your fucking mouth.
Go ahead, boss.
Yeah, I'm the boss. Yeah, but I'm not the boss of you. You're New York side.
Right, and you're New Jersey.
Yeah, New Jersey. So he came from New Jersey today. Drove 5 hours from Jersey to come here today. He brought his 2 kids to meet up my kids, and they've been playing all day. And it's been a great. We had a barbecue. They went in the pool. It was a fantastic day. We've already met, obviously, but for him to come over to my place, it was just, I had a great time. It was really awesome.
I really did. So we got here at 6 o'clock. You can tell them what time is it right now. It was 6 p.m.
10 after 12.
Right.
Friday.
Right, Friday. Yes, it's Friday. We came here Thursday, and now it's Friday. So we wanted to make this a little video. I'm very happy that you're on board. Our executive producer is Jerry DeLeo. We have a lot of talent.
And now I'll show you a picture of the official Mafia War Chronicles graphic. That's been redone and modified, and now that's the official logo of Mafia War Chronicles.
Right. So the only thing I got to ask you now that we're in front of everybody,
Yeah.
because I want to make this official,
Right.
would you accept the role of Paulie Cavallo that plays in Mafia War Chronicles, and that's going to go for 3 seasons? Would you accept it?
Absolutely accept it.
Joe, I am looking forward to working with you. I love you, buddy. I really do. Welcome aboard.
Thanks,
Can't
man.
wait to start working with you.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah, I'm very excited.
So-
Very cool. Oh God, this is great.
So-
Thank you guys for watching, and look for the new Mafia War Chronicles series on YouTube.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, and have a great day, guys.
Take care, guys.
Yo.
I think this fucking punk has a death wish.
You're being too friggin' greedy?
Oh, I think you better take it down a notch, tough guy.
I hope it's the 10K that piece of shit owes me.